Let's see these hacks and beautiful gadgets we've got in this short video. This is the apartment. We'll see details. This is a mirror. She's gonna mop the floor using this small bucket. This is a cabinet you can use for your shoes. We've got this one you can use for your massage. This is an electric file you can use for your heels. It's really helpful. She's gonna mop the floor using this folding mop. It's really helpful. You can use it for the corners. This is another clip. See the tool this lady is using in her beautiful apartment. It's really beautiful apartment. These are her flip-flops. She's gonna maybe take a shower. This is a sanitizer. She's washing her hands. We've got this towel or wipes you can use for your toilet. This is an air freshener. We've got this beautiful tool you can use for charging your mobile phone. We've got this case you can use for your jewelry. We've got these wipes. She's brushing her teeth. We've got this wipe you can use for your face. This is a brush you can use for your hair. It's really cool. This is a hair dryer. She's brushing her hair. We've got this brush you can use for your body or taking a shower.
宝贝，你在干嘛呀？爸爸妈妈旅游回来了，马上到家了。